This is Dean Holland's new book, The Iceberg Effect, and you can get it free. This book contains crucial information for affiliate marketers. So here's a small sample of what's inside the book. You will find the exact steps to building a profitable affiliate marketing business in 2020. No product, no list, no experience, no problem. This book will guide you through what to do. In it, you will find a new way to build a business online, even if you're just starting out and everything you've tried has failed. One chapter in the book is Discover the 4 core areas of focus. Another chapter shows you how to go from the ground up, starting from scratch, to growing a profitable online business and scaling it. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Learn about multiple streams of income. So go pick up your book now, and it's only the cost of shipping. Click the link and pick up the book now. You won't regret it. It could change your life. I hope you will click the link below to see what's in this book.